Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over whether or not Offerup is safe. So if you're wondering, is Offerup safe? Then this video is for you. So you're probably someone who just heard about Offerup and you're looking to see whether or not it's safe to actually buy things. The safeness of Offerup usually depends on how you actually transact with potential buyers or potential sellers. So the safeness usually involves with, they might give you counterfeit bills. This has happened to me before. The safeness might involve also the environment in which you're actually doing the transaction. I'd say overall, OfferUp can definitely 100% be safe, but that more so depends on you actually looking out for yourself. So what I mean by that is, number one, only work with customers or sellers or buyers who have like 5-star ratings. I don't work with anyone who has a 4.5-star rating. It's so easy to just get all 5-star ratings on OfferUp. I only work with buyers and sellers who have 5-star ratings. Second, as far as transactions go, I only meet in public, crowded areas. So I'm not going to meet someone at their house. I'm not going to meet someone at a dark alleyway, for example. I usually meet at public areas. Usually the bank is a good one just because they have surveillance cameras. Libraries are a good one just because they have the surveillance cameras as well. I've done grocery stores, like inside of grocery stores as well, and that's done well. And so the environment in which you actually meet them does matter too. Now, third, that depends on the method in which you accept money from your buyer or how you actually accept money from your seller. I always accept Zelle, which is like an instant payment method. I have received cash before. Like, unfortunately, I have received maybe like $200 in fake cash. So I would be cautious when it comes to accepting cash. But I'd say Zelle works great. Venmo works great. Cash App works great. Those are the three big ones. You'll see online, like, yeah, you can send via PayPal goods and services. That's fine too, but it's just a bit out of my way. Usually when I sell or buy things, it's through my phone. And usually Zelle has been the best method payment for me. If you do decide to use cash, you can buy like at Office Depot, a cash checker. It's like a pen. And if you write on the bill, it'll show yellow or it'll show black. You can use like a counterfeit checker machine, which costs like $100 if you're dealing with large volumes of cash. But essentially, OfferUp is a safe platform. So I've had no problems with it whatsoever. I've been using it for like 7 years. I hope this answers your question. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.